Hey, everyone is seeing, you're sitting at your desk, staring at your phone, scrolling through social media. Suddenly, a thought pops into your head, I should probably start investing. You remember hearing about Acorns, a popular app that allows you to invest spare change. But you're not sure how much to put in. Today, we're going to answer that question. Let's dive in. Understanding Acorns. Acorns is a micro-investing app that makes investing accessible to everyone. It works by rounding up your purchases to the nearest dollar and investing the difference. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.25, Acorns will round it up to $4 and invest the remaining 75 cents. It's a simple yet effective way to start building wealth over time. Factors to consider. Before deciding how much to invest in Acorns, there are a few factors to consider. Your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or something else? Your goals will determine how much you need to invest. Your risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with market fluctuations? If you're risk-averse, you may want to invest in a more conservative portfolio. Your income and expenses. Your income and expenses will determine how much you can afford to invest. Your time horizon. How long do you plan to invest? The longer you invest, the more time your money has to grow. Determining your investment amount. Now that you understand the factors to consider, let's discuss how to determine your investment amount. One popular approach is to use the 50/30/20 rule. This rule suggests that you allocate 50% of your income to essential expenses, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% to savings and investing. If you follow this rule, you can allocate a portion of your 20% savings to Acorns. For example, if you earn $5,000 per month, you could allocate $1,000 to savings and investing. You could then decide to invest a portion of that $1,000 in Acorns. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for investing in Acorns. Start small. If you're new to investing, start with a small amount. You can always increase your contributions as you become more comfortable. Set up automatic investments. One of the benefits of Acorns is that you can set up automatic investments. This makes it easy to stick to your investment plan. Diversify your portfolio. Acorns offers a variety of investment portfolios. Consider diversifying your portfolio to reduce risk. Be patient. Investing is a long-term game. Don't get discouraged if your investments don't perform well in the short term. Conclusion. The amount you should put in your Acorns account depends on your individual circumstances. By considering factors such as your financial goals, risk tolerance, income, and time horizon, you can determine the appropriate investment amount. Remember, investing is a journey, not a destination. Start small, be patient, and stay committed to your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.